I am Carlo Gabriel Rodelas, and I'll be discussing my proposed project, which is called Smart Waste Segregation using Compressing System or Hydraulic Press. Our agenda for today is to discuss the problem statement, objectives, proposed solution, and its conceptual framework. Rapid urbanization and population growth have significantly increased and have been the cause of this increase in solid waste production, particularly in areas like Lipa City, Batangas, which generates 167 kilograms of waste daily. Ranking second in the Batangas province, inefficient waste segregation management contributes to environmental problems such as flood, greenhouse gas emissions, and the lack of proper disposal, inefficient facilities, and lack of public awareness. The objectives of the project is to develop an idea about the smart segregation using hydraulic press, specifically Lipa City, Batangas, to know the components of the smart segregation system, and to discuss the significance. The smart waste segregation system using hydraulic press would help address inefficiencies of solid waste generation as pertains to integration of solid sensors, cameras, machine learning to automate the process, and the PLC, which would then focus in the non-biodegradable materials for hydraulic pressing. The conceptual framework explains the input process output of the user, which would uh, put various disposable materials like metals, cans, biodegradable or plastics. Then the sensors would detect it using inductive, capacitive, and ultrasonic, and Raspberry Pi camera, which would help the identification of the process. And the machine user interface then uploaded to the machine user interface. Then the programmable logic controller would help address if it is plastic or not, and would uh, turn into a compressed trash. That's all. Thank you.